In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OCO Brackets on Thinkorswim. To get started, head over to Thinkorswim web. Once you're logged in, open the Trade tab. This is where you'll build and manage your order, so take a moment to make sure you're on the correct screen before moving forward. In the symbol field, enter the stock symbol for the asset you want to trade. This brings up the live quote and gives you access to the order menu you'll need for the bracket setup. Next, decide whether you're preparing a buy order or a sell order. If you're entering a buy position, right-click on the ask price. If you're preparing a sell order, right-click on the bid price. This is important because it opens the context menu tied directly to the side of the trade you want to place. From that menu, choose Buy Custom, then select with OCO Bracket. If you're setting up a short position instead, choose Sell Custom, then with OCO Bracket. OCO stands for one cancels the other, which means the platform links your exit orders together. When one of those exit orders is filled, the other one is automatically canceled. This can be very useful for managing risk and planning your trade before it even begins. After you select the OCO Bracket option, Thinkorswim automatically creates 3 separate orders as part of the setup. The first is your entry order, which is the order that gets you into the trade. The second is your profit target order, which is designed to close the position if price reaches your desired profit level. The third is your stop loss order, which helps limit downside if the trade moves against you. At this point, review and customize the order details. You can adjust the share quantity, the entry price, the profit target price, and the stop loss price. This is where accuracy really matters, so double check each field carefully. Make sure the prices reflect your actual trade plan and that the quantity matches the position size you want to take. Once everything looks right, click Confirm and Send. This gives you one last chance to review the complete